see the Garden of Eden. And baby, if you are the apple, I've got to be Eve then. Cause my teeth are already sunk in, lips pursed and ready to taste your flavor, ready to savor each juicy drop of your nectar. Let my mouth be the receptor. You can call me the collector of your forbidden fruit. Sweet nectar of the forbidden fruit. I just want to get a taste of you. Sweet nectar of the forbidden fruit. I just want to get a taste of you. Baby, I want your sweetness like kids want Tootsie Rolls, because I know just how many strokes it takes to get to your center. Want you to enter with no fear. I say I want you to enter with no fear. Whisper in my ear, baby, let's get reckless. Till you conjure up more wetness than busted pipes in Chicago winters. Turn your pipe into getting busted with more mouth action than dentures. Till your eyes roll in the back of your head and your body shut down like that old store Ventures. Now, baby, don't feel all indentured. Feel free to adventure and explore. Go ahead and pull my hair. What you think I do these days? I want to break records and headboards till the landlord has to replace decor from all the furniture moving. We almost pass out from all the oxygen consumed in that hot little room, but no, it ain't gonna be no sleep, boo. Ain't gonna be no turning cheeks blue, just me and you wearing sheets through till they see through. Well known amongst all the people for the nasty things that we do. Now, baby, I'm gonna need you to dig into me. Not like finger foods and hors d'oeuvres, but like home-cooked meals after time served. Let your utensils scrape my plate. Take me from being spoken word to being... I ate my hands. Shit, nigga, right? You can't give me no water and no sandwich. Let me 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Ooh, got me stuttering and stammering on my inside. You keep hammering, so I'm gonna have to call you John Henry. Swinging so hard you give vibrators dick envy. Baby, you in me is like NY and Biggie. So for y'all hip hop heads, I guess I'm just a combination of House of Pain and Bobby Brown. You keep me humping around and going around. I say you keep me humping around and jumping around like somebody plugged in a strobe light and I'm an epileptic. Restless, but I guess this is just the way it's got to be. You gotta stay over there on that tree. I got to stay right here being me, craving just one drop of juice of that sweet nectar of the forbidden fruit. I just want to get a taste of you. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. We want to thank you all for coming out tonight.